Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change jersey or kit in eFootball. So it's pretty simple, but for this you need to play a match. Click on match at the bottom of your screen and then you need to click on this option called trial match. Now I'm going to play trial match, but you can play any match you want, alright? The main thing is you need to go inside a match to change the kit. Click on trial match. I'm going to select a random team and I will click on next, and I will also play against a random team and I will select next. Once the team is selected, you can see the option called setting at the bottom left corner. Click on setting. From over here you can see the option called hanger, the third one. Click on the hanger. Then it's going to give you kits. You can choose whichever kit you want, and they're going to have home kit and away kit. So you can choose whichever kit you want. So I'm going to go in away and I'm going to choose a kit from away. So whichever kit has the stick mark right below it, that is the kit or that is the jersey you're going to use to play. Once the jersey is selected, go back, click on next, and your game will start with whatever jersey you picked. So that is how we guys can change jersey or kit in eFootball. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.